Hello students, today we will study class 8th geography chapter number 3 minerals and power resources. So we have discussed in previous class conventional sources and just like firewood, coal, petroleum. Okay, so in this sequence we will understand about natural gas also. Okay, so natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Okay, so it can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Okay, so some important places are Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands. Okay, so these are the major producers of natural gas. Okay, in our country, in India, Jaisalmer. Okay, Krishna Godavari Delta, Krishna Godavari Delta. Okay, Tripura, and offshores of Mumbai. Okay, offshores in the offshore in Mumbai are the places where natural gas deposits are found. Okay, so very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reserves of their own. Okay, and the sharp increase of in our consumption of fossil fuel has led to their depletion at an alarming state. Okay, so we must be careful in use. Okay, so if we will use continuously, so we must pay attention towards it, that we must conserve it also. Okay, and unchecked burning of fossil fuel is like an unchecked dripping tap which will eventually run dry. Okay, means when it will be ended, then we can't get easily or immediately. Okay, so in this way, these conventional sources of energy that are that must be conserved. Okay, so now we will understand about hydropower. Okay, so our next topic is hydropower. So rainwater or river water is stored in a dams is made to fall from heights, and the falling water flows through the pipes inside the dam over the turbine blades. You can see in the figure. So rainwater is stored here. Okay, so rainwater is stored, and that is water reservoir. Okay, so rainwater is stored here, and then it is means falling of water flows through the pipes inside the dam over the turbine blades and then turn the generator. Okay, these generators are turned, and then it is used to produce electricity. Okay, so here electricity is produced. Okay, so this is called hydroelectricity. Okay, means in this process, when rainwater is flows through the pipes, and then turbine blades are run by the generators. Okay, so in this way electricity is generated, and that is called hydroelectricity. Okay, the water discharge after generation of electricity is used for irrigation. Means then when electricity is produced there, so that water is again used for the irrigation purpose. Okay, and one fourth of the world electricity is produced by hydel power. Okay, always remember that one fourth of the total, okay, total electricity in the world is generated by hydel power. Hydel power. Okay, so the leading producer of hydel power in the world is Paraguay, Uruguay. Okay, Paraguay, Norway. Okay, Uruguay, Brazil, and China. Okay, so you must remember these countries. Okay, so sometimes it will be beneficial for you. Okay, some important hydel stations in India are Bhakra Nangal, Dam. Okay, so only you have to remember Bhakra Nangal, then Gandhi Sagar, then Nagarjun Sagar, and last one is Damodar Valley project. Valley project. Okay, Damodar Valley project. Now we will understand about non-conventional sources of energy. Okay, so our next topic is non-conventional non-conventional sources of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy. Okay, the increasing use of fossil fuels is leading to its storage. Okay, so it is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continue there, so that will be ended. Okay, and in this way the fuel will be exhausted. So in that way the use must be in a proper way, and also uh, we must uh, we must protect the environment also, because it is creating environmental pollution also. Okay, so there is need for using non conventional sources such as solar energy, solar energy wind energy. Okay, wind energy, tidal energy. Okay, so these energies are renewable. Okay, means all these are renewable. Okay, so first we will understand solar energy. Okay, this is sun. So sun's heat and light energy can be felt by us every day. Okay, so solar energy trapped from the sun can be used um, in solar cells produce electricity. Okay, so the sunlight is falling on solar cell. Okay, and then it is connected to a battery. Okay, then electricity is generated and electricity is stored here. Okay, so in that way we are joining to the solar panels, and then means that sunlight sunlight is reaching on solar panel, and then uh, it is generated. So it is generating electricity. Okay, so that electricity is used for a lighting purpose and heating purpose. Okay, so the technology of utilizing solar energy benefits a lot of tropical countries, so that are blessed with abundant sunshine. Okay, means wherever sunshine is abundant or sufficient, so those countries are getting benefit of solar energy project or solar panels electricity. Okay, means you can say solar energy. So solar energy is also used in solar heater. Okay, so many uses are there in solar heaters. Okay, in solar heaters, solar cookers. Okay, solar dryers. Okay, and sometimes community light or street light, you can say street light, road light, and last one is traffic signals. Okay, so there are other uses also. So you have to understand is these are the main uses where solar energy is used. Okay, now wind energy. So next is wind energy. Okay, so wind is an inexhaustible source of energy. Means wind is not going to be ended. Okay, so in this way we can use wind. Okay, and we can generate electricity, or we can take its energy. So windmills have been used for grinding grains and lifting water since times. Okay, means for a longer time we are using windmills. Okay, so okay, so these are the windmills. Okay, so these are the windmills, and sometimes in a row it is placed there. Okay, so especially in modern times windmills are used, and the high speed winds rotates the windmill, which is connected to a generator. Okay, so it is also connected with a generator. Okay, and that generator is, so it is connected with generator. Okay, and that wind energy is stored there, and wind farms having clusters of such windmills are located in the coastal regions and in mountain passes. Okay, you can see in mountain passes, suppose that if mountain passes are there, if some break is there, so wind is coming there. Okay, from that passes. Okay, and so that it is rotating continuously. Okay, and it is generating electricity, so it is moving through that means with the power of wind. Okay, so wind, especially that is mountain pass. Okay, and in those areas also where wind is moving, wind is blowing continuously. Okay, so wind farms are found in Netherlands. Okay, especially in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, Denmark, okay, UK, USA, it's United Kingdom or United States of America, and is in Spain also. So these windmills are used at large scale, and these are the noted places for the wind energy production. Okay, so next is nuclear power. Okay, so nuclear power I will tell you in next class. Thank you.